Hi guys, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Crypto.com support. So the first thing you want to do is go to the three little stripes on the top left-hand side of the screen. Scroll all the way down till you see the settings icon. Now you'll see support right at the bottom. Click on support, and here we want to say contact support. Here we can see a few FAQs, but we want to go to send us a message, and you can see they typically reply in under 10 minutes. Now from here you will just follow the prompts. For instance, they'll ask you what language, you'll say English. And again, keep in mind everything you're seeing here is a bot. But as we go down and they can narrow down what we need help with, then we'll be able to speak to a real person through text. So you can say security or whatever else or something else. As long as you keep following the prompt, you will receive help from Crypto.com, and their response times are incredibly fast. And that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. We are not going to contact support in order to not waste their time. Let's be respectful. But thank you so much for watching. Do consider hitting subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.